Hey guys, so today we are gonna eat ghost pepper potato chips.
These are supposed to be really hot.
Yeah, because Daddy tried them and he said that they're really hard.
Yeah.
It says it right here, a little heat. This is really so spicy.
I don't believe that. Just
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, like this is one.
Look at this thing say, a little heat is nothing to be scared of.
Now we won't be
That's
scared.
what they say.
That's why we got water with us.
Some water, Pure Life. We
Yes, some
don't
Pure
have any
Life.
endorsements from any of these companies, from Hairs or Pure Life. But I bought these products, so
Yeah.
I'm using them.
So everybody knows that ghost pepper is very, very hot.
That's what they say.
Okay, let's scoot my chair because I'm not in the camera.
Get in the camera.
Okay, so let's open these babies up. Oh.
My bag's stuck.
Oh my god, this smells so...
My bag's stuck. You want to open it?
What you better start?
It's dripping.
Oh my god, we have...
Oh, it's not that much, you know? It's not that much, you know? They only give you half the bag of chips, you know what I'm saying?
half mine. Guys, I got a
It would be
little
nice
piece of the chip.
if we could get chips all the way up to here, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of air and all the way up to here. But, oh, he ate one? No, you ate one already. He ate one. Now I'm going to try to eat this whole bag, and I'm going to have a full bottle of water at the end.
Oh my god. When you eat it doesn't feel spicy. When you wait, it'll like heat up a little. Ooh. But water.
Whoa.
No water. I mean not. No water.
I think it's just the pepper. The pepper. It actually tastes good though, the flavor. Look at him eating 2 chips at a time. I like it.
Oh, I heat. Oh, I heat. Oh, I heat and pop up.
It's a nice flavor.
Yeah.
No, they're all right.
Yeah.
A little spicy, just a little bit. A little
Yeah.
bit.
Then I guess they weren't lying. I guess.
Like I said, just a little bit of heat.
Yeah. But
Man, who needs this? I don't need this.
yeah,
Put this back in the fridge, you know? You don't need that.
Okay.
So, how's your day going?
But
Yeah. Today's Saturday. Today's Saturday.
I think my eyes are gonna water.
Damn,
Guys.
where'd that come from?
I don't know.
His eyes from water.
Bro, look at that.
It's tears.
Oh, my tears.
Why you look like me?
Huh?
Why you look like me?
I don't.
Your face looks just like mine.
But your hair is not.
No.
Mine is straight. Yours is McDonald's. Like you said in the first video. It's like McDonald's.
Dude, don't remind me. So, I'm growing my hair to kind of
Okay.
hide that, you know? See if that could
I'm
blend
just
in.
joking.
Hmm?
Wait.
trying to hide that, you know. Could go to the barbershop, let them put that little black stuff on there, but I don't know, man. I ain't trying to, you know, it's about to get hot, about to be sweating.
Bro, you got to go to the barbershop. You got a lot of hair. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm growing it on purpose. We gotta get you a haircut because he like the fades. He like to get the fades.
Yeah, the waves are good.
And waves, yeah. Trying to teach him how to brush his hair to get the waves. Get them things spinning. How you eat my chips, man?
No.
You can eat you can eat something for me. As long as my bag's empty, you can eat some of my chips. That's less heat for me. But what I say, could go to barber, let them put that black stuff on there. What if I start sweating? Go like this.
Ooh.
My hairline gone. You got the water. Got the water for you.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do this video without the water. No water, no water allowed, no water allowed. Look, there's not that much chips in there now.
Yeah. You almost done. We got more. I don't know.
Yeah, me too.
It's not that bad. Sometimes it gets in your throat right here and makes you cough. I don't know. I think we need something harder.
Yeah.
First time I eat these, I was coughing. Maybe I got used to it.
Wait, well, what about Takis? The blue ones.
Those are hot.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Toffees. I don't know how a chip turned blue like that. I feel like it's a lot of food coloring or something. A lot of dyes.
You know how it goes from red to blue?
How it go?
I'm not just saying.
Talking about the color scale?
I don't know.
I feel like they put dye in the chip. Chip turn blue. You eat the chip. Your tongue turn blue.
I mean, the blue one is hotter than the red one.
I ain't never had any. Because your tongue turn blue. It goes in your body. And inside your stomach turns blue. Because inside your stomach turns blue. When your body digests it, your poop turns blue.
No, it does not.
That's what I think. I think your poop turns blue. So not just that. Your poop turns blue. Your poop goes in the toilet. The water in the toilet turns blue. Since the water in the toilet is blue, the walls of your toilet gets the blue stain on them.
No, it does not. No, it does not.
It's too much dye, man. That's just my theory. Whether that's correct or not, I don't know.
These are real good.
kind of not hot though, man. I don't know what happened.
Look, I'm almost done. I'm almost
You're almost
done.
done.
See, look, I'm almost done.
I know. I thought we would have. Thought we would have been running to these, but we both haven't opened our water.
Hey, chip right on.
Best friends. These are best friends.
Yeah.
Hey, Coco. Ooh, we got a visitor.
Yeah.
Come on, Daddy. Come on. So,
This is my baby brother named Kyree. But we call him Coco.
I'm Daddy. This is my first twin. And somehow I made a third one. Well, a second twin. But it's three of us. Look at camera, Dave. See camera? Ooh, I don't know if you can get these now. I don't know the back. Ooh, look at them. Ooh, I don't know if he should have these. You want some water? I give you some water. No, Coco. I don't know, man. I know. Should I give him one?
No.
Should we give Coco one?
Nah.
Okay. We give him some water.
Like is yes. Subscribe is no.
Oh, so whether we should give him some?
Yeah, certain.
Yeah. If we should give Coco some hot
If we got more
ghost
likes,
pepper chips.
if we have more likes, then we'll give Kyree some ghost pepper chips.
Okay.
But if we got more subscribers, we won't give them a chip.
Okay, that's what we'll do. Based on this video, we'll do that. We'll do the next video. If we get more likes on the video than subscribers, then Coco has to eat ghost pepper chips.
Yeah.
But
Alright, so
if
we're
we
gonna
get
have
more subscribers then little Coco does not have to eat ghost pepper chips. Did I get some water? Nah, I'll let you get some.
And then he would just eat some normal chips.
Yeah, we give him some. We got regular chips. We don't know if we can give you these, Coco. Ooh, I'm gonna finish this.
Yeah. We got the Bluey on for Kyree to watch
Yeah,
Sunlight
that's his favorite show.
come down. Because sometimes every time we see someone's eating, Kyree would come over there and say, "Oh my gosh, I want some! I want some! I want some!" Oh my God, Kyree burped.
Y'all see my bag?
He was burped like crazy.
Nah, I feel like I'm entitled to some water. Oh, Coco. I let him get some first.
I have a little bit more.
Now, my mouth burning just a little bit. I can get some? Ooh, that water tastes good. Put the top on. You put the top on?
All gone.
And Kyree is finished. So, I think we both won the challenge. What do you think, Coco? Think we both won the challenge? I think we both won the challenge. Okay, so we are going to end the video.
make sure to like.
We both get a W.
Yeah. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And Kyree the gamer.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still working on my dab.
Yeah. But man.
Why
Wait. See you. See you on Thursday.
No.